Okay, so I just stumbled upon this GitHub project called scrcpy. It lets you mirror and control your Android device on your computer.
Wait, seriously, that sounds super handy. How does it actually work?
You connect your device via USB or over TCP/IP and then use your keyboard and mouse. No root access needed.
That's pretty cool. But is it limited to just Android devices?
Yeah, it specifically targets Android and it runs on Linux, Windows, and macOS. Super versatile.
Nice. I love that it doesn't require any installation on the device. That's a big plus.
Right? It's all about lightness and performance, like 30 to 120 FPS on display.
I'm surprised by how low the latency is, only around 35 to 70 milliseconds. That's almost real time.
Totally, and the setup time is just about a second to get the first image up.
So does it have any limitations? Like, what if your Android version is older?
Good question, it requires at least Android 5. Some features like audio forwarding need Android 11 or later.
Interesting. I wonder how it handles different Android models. Are there any specific issues?
Yeah, certain devices, especially Xiaomi, can throw errors unless you tweak some security settings.
Oh, that sounds annoying, but I guess it's worth it for the functionality.
Absolutely, plus it's open source, which means anyone can contribute or improve it.
That's a huge advantage. Are there any cool features outside the basic mirroring?
Definitely, there's audio forwarding, recording capabilities, and even a virtual display option.
Virtual display, how does that work?
You can run apps like VLC in a separate display, which is pretty neat for multitasking.
That's actually super useful. But how do you control it while running a separate display?
You can simulate keyboard and mouse actions, or even use a gamepad if you want.
Gamepad support, that's a game changer for mobile gaming.
Right? It really opens up possibilities. Imagine playing games on a bigger screen.
And no ads or accounts required, right? That's refreshing.
Exactly, it's all about user freedom without those annoying distractions.
Sounds like a developer's dream. But what if someone encounters bugs?
They can report issues on GitHub, and there's an FAQ for common problems.
That's good to know. So for someone not tech-savvy, is it still user-friendly?
I'd say it's pretty accessible. The documentation is thorough, and there are plenty of examples.
That's reassuring. I think I might have to try it out.
You should just imagine controlling your phone from your laptop.
Yeah, but isn't there a risk of data security? Like, is there any vulnerability?
That's a fair concern. Being open source does mean scrutiny, but it can also lead to quicker fixes.
True, but it also means you might find vulnerabilities before they impact you.
Exactly, it's like a double-edged sword. I guess it comes down to user diligence.
So, it's important to stick to the official GitHub source for safety, right?
Absolutely, downloading from random sites can lead to malware.
That's a hard pass for me. I'd rather keep my devices safe.
Same here, the whole project feels like a community-driven labor of love.
I love that. So many innovative tools come from the open source community.
For sure, and with the right support, scrcpy can keep evolving.
So, what's the next big feature you think they should add?
Maybe better integration for cloud storage, like seamless file transfers.
That could be a game changer. Imagine pulling files directly from your phone.
Exactly, it could streamline workflows for so many users.
Wow, this conversation really opened my eyes to what scrcpy can do.
Same here, I'm excited to see how it evolves in the future.
Definitely. It's the little things that make a big difference in tech.
Totally, and who knows what amazing features the community will come up with next.